Hello Honda lovers, it's Damian Tucker, sales and leasing consultant at Della Honda of Glens Falls. I'm here with this week's installment of our Tuesday Tech Tutorial. Today I'm going to focus simply on how our capless fuel filters work. Here is one of our remaining 2019 highly discounted Accord Sports. Now as I approach the vehicle, take notice, this is the gas fuel chamber. I go to press, can't do anything to get in there, but if I simply press the unlock button to the vehicle, now I should be able to simply press and release. As you can see, folks, there is no gas cap. This is to limit the amount of gasoline exposure to you and your hands. However, I want to make sure that you know that when you are done fueling, because there is no cap, there is a stop valve in here. That means as you are fueling up, you are building up pressure inside the vehicle. As you can see, clearly depicted. Once you are done fueling, please wait 5 seconds before removing the nozzle. This will greatly eliminate the likelihood of you having any aspirated gasoline spraying out and getting on you or your clothing. Thank you all for taking the time to tune in again this week. Stay tuned. Next week we will have some more useful tips on how to best use and operate the technology in your brand new Honda vehicle. Give us a call, 518-793-3811, or stop by and visit us at 313 Quaker Road in Queensbury. We'll help you find the vehicle that best fits you and your family's needs and make it affordable.